What is up, guys? Good morning. Today we have the AMG C43. I'm going to do a quick walk around. I have to go to the car wash, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. But I just wanted to test out this new POV setup I have. So let me know what you guys think. I got the DJI audio mic, so I also want to test out the sound quality as well. But yep, here it is. Let me know what you guys think. Get an exhaust clip for you. Sound's not too bad. A lot of people have been talking about the sound for this vehicle because it has an inline 4. But I don't think it's too bad. Producing up to 402 horsepower. All right, let's close her up and go for a ride. All right, got my mirrors all set. Do a little race start. Doesn't sound too bad for inline 4. For those of you new to my channel, this is Lake Lanier. This is Beaufort Dam that we're on right now. Roll up the windows for the wind noise. I wasn't sure if you guys could hear me, but this is Lake Lanier, and we're currently on Beaufort Dam. You can hear that backfire a little bit. Comment below what you like better, Mercedes or BMW. Looks like there's an M3 in front of us. Not sure if it's a legit one. I know a lot of people put badges on cars. Sounds nice though. He's a little bit excited. He must see my camera and he must know I'm filming. I do gotta head to the car wash, but we'll go ahead and follow this guy for a bit. Oh, looks like it's turning off. Okay, that time I could tell what's pumped in. A lot of pretty much whatever sounds like an engine. I don't know if anyone driven just a regular Mercedes, a non-AMG, but you get that kind of engine whine. You could tell that's audio pumped in. But the exhaust, the pops, I would say that's coming from the back. Alright, I'm not sure how to get to the car wash from here, but let's take a left. One thing I would say, when this is an auto, as you just saw, I gave it some gas. It takes a while for it to shift down to match the amount of power I'm giving it. I got a friend who has a AMG GTS. Shout out to Chess Holmes. I'm gonna link his YouTube in the description. But I'm gonna do a video with him soon just to compare, to see how the C43 is compared to a real AMG GTS. And he definitely has it in a beautiful color too, solar beam yellow, so stay tuned for that. We could also do an exhaust clip with this vehicle. Alright, let's see where I'm at. Buford Highway. I mean, I know the car wash is on the street. I just gotta figure out, do I go left or do I go right? Google Maps never fails us. Alright, actually I gotta go left. So we're gonna have to make a U-turn. Yeah, but I think for a daily driver, this car is perfect. It has just the right amount of power. It sounds decent. gonna do another video too, going over all of the menus that they have in this vehicle. It's a lot of technology in this vehicle. All right, I think I see the car wash on the right. Let's pull in. Now, the cool thing about this car and a lot of new Mercedes, they have this new feature called car wash mode, which actually turns off a lot of the rain sensors, the wipers, folds in your mirrors. It does a lot of it for you. So like for here, instance, if I press the car button, you see car wash mode right there. All right, so then let's give it a try and see. Boom, automatically scans, and we're all set. All right, so now let's activate car wash mode. You just heard those beeps. That's my Parktronic. It automatically turns that off. This way I don't have to hear those annoying sensors going off. And then I do have to fold in my mirrors manually though. All right, we do have a 360 camera. I like to use the front camera in order to line up the wheels. Now that we're all done, we can go ahead and switch off car wash mode and drive the vehicle like normal. Now let's go ahead and pull off and see how good the car wash did. All right guys, just finished up at the car wash. Car is squeaky clean. Now it's time to get dirty in the streets. Ooh, couldn't make the light.